On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Chrome browser error problem. All what you wanna do is go to the top here, click on those three dots, and after that click on this more tools option, click on extensions, and after that all what you wanna do is just remove the extensions that you don't need, and then all what you wanna do is go back again, click on those three dots, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on clear browsing data, and click on clear data from here. After that click on security and make sure to choose the standard protection. After that click on here down on the task manager in your bar, click on the task manager, exactly like that. And now all what you want to do is turn off all the apps that you don't need. For example, NordVPN. I'm gonna close it, just click on it. Okay, let's wait, it's changing the places. Okay, anyway, click on any app you want, and after you click on it, just click on end task, and that's it. Very easy and simple. Do the same thing with all the apps that you don't need, and just work with the Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe.